All right, so let me show you how we're going to do the graph for this got protein group data graph. So go to the assignment, go ahead and make yourself a copy. And this should show up right here. It shows you the mean protein concentration that we got for all the groups, the percent difference that we calculated, and it shows up in this kind of summary graph below. So what I want you to do is highlight everything you see here, the numbers, including the labels and everything. And you can go ahead, right here I have insert chart, or you can go insert here and then down to chart. And you should get something like this. But the problem with this, bar graph is good because that's what we need to have, because our X categories are discontinuous values, meaning they can be arranged in any order. It doesn't really matter. It's not like time where it has to be in order, or say concentration like we had on the graph that you interpolated on spectral analysis. But we only have one y-axis here. We got two values, mean protein concentration and percent difference. You see the percent difference is a much higher number, so it kind of obscures the mean protein concentration, makes it hard to see. So to fix that, what you need to do is go to Customize, go down to Series, where it says Apply to All Series, click there, and we want to select percent difference, and then we're going to put this on the right axis. Okay, and there we go. Oh, that much better. We have the numbers for the protein concentration because they're much smaller here, and we can see more defined values. And then percent difference is over here on the right side of the y-axis, which are much bigger values. So that gives us a little better, look at the data. From here on, what I want you to do is click on these three buttons, and move to Own Sheet, and that'll be here. Just kind of title that graph. I like graph. Chart kind of freaks me out. I'm not quite sure. Go back to Sheet and title that Raw Data. I'm not sure what this was. That was from before. Get rid of that. When I was looking through it. So, the last thing you need to do, you're going to need to add a nice title up here and label the axes. So just go to Edit Chart, Customize. Ooh, the axis titles. Vertical axis title. You see there's the vertical axis title on the right. So vertical will be the left title, which is protein concentration. Milligrams per milliliter. Yeah. Oops. There we go. And right vertical axis. What's that? Percent difference. That's good. And then you can actually just double click this and put a good title. I'm going to have you do this. Figure 1. So what you do for your good title is to describe exactly what the graph is showing, incorporate the X and the Y axes. Actually, let's go ahead and give it horizontal axis. We'll say milks tested. That's good, because that's what those are. So I'll explain it, but if you need to, you can use this video. Hopefully can do that chart. And actually what's kind of nice is, let's see, putting data labels on there. That's nice. Error bar, skip that. That doesn't actually help in this case, but data labels is nice because that makes it easier to see what the data value is.